Anita Rose Gomez, Miss Grand Zambales!
Now 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers! Let's have another update for Miss Grand Philippines 2025, the preliminary competition. At ngayon ay pag-usapan natin ang napaka-star quality na introduction performance ni Miss Grand Zambales Anita Rose Gomez sa preliminary competition ng MGP 2025. Sa kanyang introduction, Anita Rose Gomez truly commanded the stage with her beauty, poise, and confidence. From the very first moment as she appeared, her energy radiated across the stage. Hindi lang siya basta lumabas, kundi talagang nagbigay ng grand presence. Her styling tonight was on point, glamorous yet elegant, highlighting her natural beauty, at makikita natin ang balance ng sweetness at fierceness na kailangan ng isang Grand Queen. Isa ito sa mga rason kung bakit ang Zambales ay patuloy na nagiging malakas na contender for this year's Miss Grand Philippines competition. And once again, panoorin po natin ang introduction video ni Miss Grand Philippines Zambales. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the introduction video of Miss Grand Zambales Anita Rose Gomez. What do you think is her performance for tonight? I-comment lamang inyong kasagutan at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe para sa mas marami pang mga updates at mga bagong balita.